Hey viewers, you are watching this update and I am Shudha. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar on Monday highlighted the strong ties between India and Russia. He said both countries are committed to increasing bilateral trade to 100 billion US dollars to by 2030. He made these remarks while virtually addressing the conference titled India and Russia Towards a New Bilateral Agenda. The event was held in Moscow and focused on strengthening cooperation between the two nations. Jaishankar said the current trade between India and Russia stands at 68.7 billion US dollars. He said both sides aim to increase this to 100 billion US dollars in a balanced and sustainable way. He said both sides aim to increase this to 100 billion US dollars in a balanced and sustainable way. Efforts are being made to remove non-tariff and barriers regulatory issues. He described the relationship as a special and privileged strategic partnership. He said the ties are based on trust and mutual respect. He added that cooperation between the two countries has contributed to peace and stability over the years. Jaishankar also spoke about the importance of regular high-level meetings. He said such engagements have helped deepen the partnership. He referred to Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India in December 2025. He said the visit opened new areas of cooperation. This include mobility of skilled professionals, health, food, safety, and maritime cooperation. Other areas include fertilizers, custom trade, academic exchanges, and media collaboration. The minister highlighted energy as a key pillar of the partnership. He said Russia is India's leading partner in civil nuclear energy. He pointed to the Kudankulam nuclear power plant as an important example. He said India plans to increase its nuclear energy capacity to 100 gigawatts by 2047. He expressed confidence that Russia will continue to support India in this goal. Jaishankar also spoke about people-to-people ties. He said both countries share a deep cultural connection. He mentioned the popularity of yoga, Ayurveda, and traditional arts in strengthening relationship. He added that new Indian consults Kazan and will help improve economic and cultural links. The steps are expected to boost trade and tourism. This also spoke about global cooperation. He said the world is moving towards a multipolar order. In this situation, countries need to work together more closely. Jaishankar said India, as the BRICS chair, will focus on a people-centric approach. He said India will work with Russia through platforms like BRICS, SCO, G20 and the United Nations. The conference brought together diplomats and experts from both countries. Discussions focused on expanding trade and strategic cooperation. Jaishankar said India and Russia will continue to work together to address global challenges. He said both countries are committed to taking their partnership to new heights in the coming years. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.